We're at Overland Expo, Pacific Northwest, and we're at the GlueTread booth. And we have Andy here. Andy, can you tell us what you got?
Yeah, sure thing. So all the GlueTread products are meant to repair tires. The biggest difference between our products and most other ones are we can actually fix the sidewall of the tire. So this is a repair that's done on the outside of the tire. You don't have to take it off the rim. You don't have to take the tire off the vehicle. You sand the area around the damage, put adhesive onto the patch, hold the patch for about a minute, let it sit for about 5 minutes, then it's ready to inflate. So super simple process and something that you can do on the trail without removing the tire from the vehicle.
And you also have valve stem repairs.
Sure thing. So many of our kits come with what they call a Colby valve, which is this piece here. A Colby valve looks like this, and the idea is if you have valve stem damage on your tire, you cut out the old valve stem, push it into the tire, and then take this piece and insert it into that hole. From there, you spin that wing nut, and that will actually expand and then expose the threads like this. You can inflate the tire. So it's a toolless repair for valve stem.
And you were going to show me the glued together a couple pieces of rubber.
Yeah. So this is the rubber that we use. This is the same adhesive that's holding this rubber on the patch, and you can see here it takes a couple 100 pounds of force to actually get that to break, and the bond is actually stronger than the rubber itself, so you can't actually break this bond. What will happen is that rubber will rip before the bond will go.
I see.
So, yeah.
If they needed to get a hold of you, what website would they go to?
Yeah, just GlueTread.com. You can Google GlueTread, you can Google sidewall repair, and yeah, it'd be easy to find us.
Price point for your products, please.
Yeah, we have products that go from $10 up to $200, just depending on how much you want and what kind of repair you're looking to do.
One more time, that website, please.
Yeah, GlueTread.com.
Thank you.
Awesome, appreciate it.
The price of the fan and then building it out is